Hi everybody, this is Thomas, and this is a quick tutorial on how to get your quarterly reports off the client portal. First thing to do is to log on to our website, wincapital.com. It looks like this, and there's a link, Client Portals, and click the black diamond, which is the software that generates your reports. Then go down here, click the client login, and you should have a username and a password. If you don't, and you forgot your password or username or both, use these links to retrieve them or reset them. If that doesn't work, call us in the office, call me or Jacob. After that, and you log in, you'll be taken to this website, which is your client portal. And it's got lots of things on there to look at your performance in many, many different ways to look at your account. But what you want to do today is to navigate, scroll down. In the lower right-hand column are your documents, and that is a safe place for us to archive documents that you need. Folders contain tax documents and other things like that. And then in reports, click that button and you'll see your report showing up there. And it should be labeled showing the 2016 4Q. And that's all there is to it. Again, if you have problems, give us a call in the office anytime. Thanks. Bye-bye.